Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. How to make money from Dubai's property boom in 2024. A guide for smart investors. Part 2 of 7. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to Part 1 for the beginning. District 2. Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is one of the most popular and established waterfront communities in Dubai, offering a sophisticated and modern lifestyle. It is also one of the largest man-made marinas in the world, with a 7 kilometers long canal lined with skyscrapers, hotels, restaurants, cafes, and shops. Dubai Marina offers a variety of apartments, from studios to penthouses, with stunning views of the marina, the sea, or the city skyline. It is also one of the most sought-after areas for both buyers and renters, especially young professionals, expats, and families. Attractions. Dubai Marina is a canal city in the Venetian tradition, carved along a 2-mile stretch of Arabian Gulf shoreline. The development is intended to accommodate more than 120,000 people in luxury condominium towers and villas perched atop a dynamic waterfront retail promenade. Among the attractions, Dubai Marina Real Estate Group can highlight the following. Dubai Marina Mall, a shopping and entertainment destination with over 140 outlets, a cinema, a supermarket, and a waterfront dining area. Pier 7, a 7-story dining hub with a different restaurant on each floor, offering a variety of cuisines and views of the marina. Dubai Marina Walk, a 7 kilometers pedestrian promenade along the water, lined with cafes, restaurants, shops, and activities. Dubai Marina Yacht Club, a prestigious club that offers yacht rental, cruising, dining, and events for members and guests. The Beach, an outdoor entertainment complex opposite Jumeirah Beach Residence, featuring a beach, a cinema, a water park, a fitness park, and more. Blue Waters Island, a man-made island that hosts the world's largest observation wheel, the Ain Dubai, as well as retail, dining, and entertainment options. Exclusive Yachts, a company that provides luxury yacht charter, dinner cruise, fishing, and sightseeing services. Real estate. Dubai Marina is one of the most sought-after residential areas in Dubai, offering a range of properties from studios to penthouses, with stunning views of the water and the skyline. The average price per square foot in Dubai Marina was $1,076 in 2020, a 6% decrease from 2019. Some of the popular buildings in Dubai Marina, according to Real Estate Group, include Marina Gate, a trio of residential towers with 500 apartments, 28 villas, and a range of amenities, such as a gym, a pool, a spa, and a retail area. Cayenne Tower, a 75-story skyscraper with a distinctive twisted design, featuring 495 apartments, a spa, a pool, a gym, and a landscaped podium. Princess Tower, a 101-story tower that was once the tallest residential building in the world, offering 763 units, a pool, a gym, a sauna, a game room, and a sky lounge. Marina Keys, a complex of 3 towers with 697 apartments, a squash court, a gym, a pool, a cinema, and a marina berth. Marina Promenade, a cluster of 6 towers with 142 units, a gym, a pool, a badminton court, a library, and a daycare center. According to Readon, the average rental yield for apartments in Dubai Marina was 5.8% in H1 2023, while the average capital appreciation was 7.2% in the same period. The ROI for flipping apartments in Dubai Marina is also attractive, as the area has a high demand for renovated and upgraded units. However, the initial investment cost is also relatively high, as the average price per square foot for apartments in Dubai Marina was $116, about $331 in H1 2023, according to Real Estate Group. Stores. Dubai Marina has a variety of stores to cater to the needs and preferences of its residents and visitors. Some of the stores in Dubai Marina are Waitrose, a British supermarket chain that offers a wide range of groceries, fresh produce, bakery, deli, and organic products. Virgin Megastore, a leading entertainment retailer that sells music, movies, books, games, electronics, and accessories. I Love Dubai, a souvenir shop that sells t-shirts, mugs, magnets, keychains, and other items with Dubai-themed designs. Adidas, a global sportswear brand that offers shoes, clothing, and accessories for various sports and activities. MAC, a professional makeup brand that offers a range of cosmetics, brushes, tools, and skincare products. Restaurants. Dubai Marina is a foodie's paradise with a plethora of restaurants offering different cuisines, ambiances, and experiences. Some of the restaurants in Dubai Marina are Massimo's, an Italian restaurant and pizzeria that serves authentic dishes such as pizza, pasta, salads, and desserts. Asia, a Pan-Asian restaurant that offers a fusion of flavors from Japan, China, Thailand, and more in a chic and elegant setting. L'Amoroso, a French restaurant and café that serves classic dishes such as steak, foie gras, escargot, and crepes in a cozy and romantic atmosphere. Zafran, an Indian bistro that offers a contemporary twist on traditional dishes such as biryani, curry, tandoori, and chaat in a casual and vibrant environment. Marina Social, a British Mediterranean restaurant by Michelin-starred chef Jason Atherton that features a sharing menu, a dessert bar, and a social room. Infrastructure. Dubai Marina is a well-planned and well-connected area with a range of infrastructure facilities and services such as Dubai Marina Metro Station, a station on the Red Line of the Dubai Metro that provides access to other parts of the city, such as downtown Dubai, Dubai International Airport, and Jebel Ali. Dubai Marina Tram Station, a station on the Dubai Tram that connects Dubai Marina with Jumeirah Beach residents, Palm Jumeirah, and Al Sufu. Dubai Marina Ferry Station, a station on the Dubai Ferry that offers boat services to various locations such as Al Gubaiba, Dubai Canal, and Blue Waters Island. Dubai Marina Water Bus Station, a station on the Dubai Water Bus that operates small motorized abras within Dubai Marina, stopping at Marina Mall, Marina Promenade, and Marina Terrace. Dubai Marina Car Park, a multi-level car park that offers 2 OOO parking spaces with direct access to Dubai Marina Mall and Pier 7. Hospitals. Dubai Marina has several hospitals and clinics nearby that provide quality healthcare services to its residents and visitors. Real Estate Group describes some of the hospitals and clinics located in or near Dubai Marina. Emirates Hospital Clinics, a branch of the Emirates Hospital Group that offers a range of medical services such as dentistry, dermatology, orthopedics, and physiotherapy. Medcare Medical Center, a multi-specialty clinic that provides quality health care in various fields such as cardiology, neurology, pediatrics, and gynecology. American Hospital Clinic, a branch of the American Hospital Dubai that offers world-class health care in accordance with American standards such as internal medicine, surgery, radiology, and laboratory. Saudi German Hospital, a leading hospital in the region that offers comprehensive and specialized healthcare in various disciplines such as oncology, neurology, cardiology, and urology. Daycare centers. Dubai Marina has a number of daycare centers and nurseries that offer childcare and education for children aged 0 to 6 years. Some of the best daycare centers and nurseries in Dubai Marina are Raffles Early Childhood Center, a nursery that follows the English Early Years Foundation Stage AIFS curriculum with a focus on children's individual needs, interests, and development. Blossom Children's Nursery, a nursery that follows the British curriculum with a holistic approach to learning and development. Learning Ladder Nursery, a nursery that follows the Finnish curriculum with an emphasis on play, creativity, and inquiry. Transportation. Dubai Marina has a convenient and affordable transportation system with a variety of options to choose from. You can use the Dubai Metro, which has a station in the area, Dubai Marina, to reach other parts of the city. You can also use the Dubai Tram, which connects Dubai Marina with Jumeirah Beach residents, Palm Jumeirah, and Al Sufu. You can also use the Dubai Ferry, which offers boat services to various locations, such as Al Gubaiba, Dubai Canal, and Blue Waters Island. You can also use the Dubai Water Bus, which operates small motorized abras within Dubai Marina, stopping at Marina Mall, Marina Promenade, and Marina Terrace. You can also use the Dubai Taxi, which is available 24/7 to get to your destination quickly and comfortably. Population. Dubai Marina has a population of about 100,000 people, according to the 2019 census. The population is composed of 75% males and 25% females, and 85% expatriates and 15% locals. The population is also diverse, with people from different nationalities, cultures, and religions. The most common nationalities are Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Filipino, and British. The official language is Arabic, but English is widely spoken as well. The official religion is Islam, but other religions are respected and practiced. Dubai Marina was an interesting place to visit and live in 2022 and 2023, as it witnessed many events and developments that enhanced its appeal and attractiveness. Some of the major attractions that Real Estate Group believes will take place in Dubai Marina in 2022 and 2023 include the completion of the Dubai Eye, the world's largest observation wheel, on Blue Waters Island, offering spectacular views of the city and the sea. The hosting of the Dubai International Boat Show, a premier event for the marine industry, showcasing the latest products, services, and innovations. The launch of the Dubai Harbor, a new waterfront destination that integrates the Dubai Marina, the Dubai International Marine Club, and the Skydive Dubai, featuring a cruise terminal, a marina, a shopping mall, and a hotel. The celebration of the 25th anniversary of Dubai Shopping Festival, a month-long extravaganza of discounts, promotions, entertainment, and fireworks. The business and cultural life of Dubai Marina is vibrant and dynamic, as it offers a range of opportunities and experiences for professionals, entrepreneurs, artists, and enthusiasts. The business life of Dubai Marina is characterized by a thriving and diversified economy with sectors such as tourism, trade, finance, real estate, and technology contributing to the growth and development of the area. A supportive and innovative environment with initiatives such as Dubai Startup Hub, Dubai Future Foundation, and Dubai Design District providing resources and platforms for startups, entrepreneurs, and creatives. A competitive and attractive market with incentives such as tax exemptions, free zones, and ease of doing business attracting local and foreign investors and businesses. The cultural life of Dubai Marina is characterized by a rich and diverse heritage with landmarks such as Dubai Museum, Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, and Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, preserving and showcasing the history and traditions of Dubai and the UAE. A vibrant and creative scene with venues such as Dubai Opera, Dubai Design District, and Al Circle Avenue hosting and exhibiting various forms of art, music, theater, and design. A cosmopolitan and tolerant society with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and religions coexisting and interacting in harmony and respect. The advantages of living in Dubai Marina for couples, families with children, and young professionals are a convenient and comfortable lifestyle with access to a range of amenities, facilities, and services such as shopping malls, restaurants, hotels, schools, hospitals, and parks. A central and strategic location with proximity to other areas of the city, such as downtown Dubai, Jumeirah Beach, Business Bay, and DIFC, and easy connectivity to other Emirates and countries. A lively and exciting atmosphere with a variety of events, activities, and attractions such as Dubai Marina Walk, Pier 7, The Beach, and Dubai Marina Yacht Club that cater to different tastes and preferences. Dubai Marina businesses also benefit from a large and loyal customer base with a high population density and a high disposable income of the residents and visitors of the area. A prestigious and reputable image with a high quality and high standard of the products and services offered in the area. A collaborative and cooperative network with opportunities to partner and work with other businesses and organizations in the area and beyond. Dubai Marina is an interesting neighborhood to read about for everyone, as it showcases the vision and ambition of Dubai and the UAE, as well as the diversity and dynamism of its people and culture. Dubai Marina is a place where the past and the future meet, where the local and the global blend, and where the ordinary and the extraordinary coexist. Dubai Marina is the place where dreams come true, and Real Estate Group will help you realize them. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to part 3 for the continuation.